Washing machine sales helped Swiggy to grow from 30 cities to 500 cities. Yes, you heard it right. Let's see how it happened. Saurabh Jain very quickly understood that it's very hard to grow in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. In these cities, people prefer to have home food. Even if they want to try outside, they walk into a restaurant directly. Saurabh and team did a unique research and understood that people who are okay to spend on buying a washing machine to save time can also order food online. So these results were okay for them to expand to the cities where people went on buying washing machines. With this great common sense research, Swiggy expanded its business from 30 cities to 500 cities. And with this master stroke expansion, they became a $8 billion company.